The food is chicken dog. A mosquito. Burden orbit. Okay, let's bugs are giyat bugs. Please, please. Sana imposter ako. How to play this? Just shut the hell up. Countries. Okay, countries. Argentina, Norway, Canada. My favorite. Switzerland. Ready? No. Set, go. Ano to? The word is Sri Lanka tourism.
Yeah, that makes sense. What? Yeah, that makes sense.
Go, please.
Yeah.
Blisa sa Poshito Mukushikalito. Malaysia. What the hell is that avatar, bro? Is an emo? And who the hell is that?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Country. Wait, something about
What?
Go. Malaysia, mom. What the hell? What do you mean? What do you mean, mom?
Yeah,
Let
that
me
makes
see.
sense.
It's CP. Build to answer. I. Heh.
Nope. Nope.
Our topic. Russia. Description wish. What? Di ako madi-skip. Wala na, skip na ako. Vote for vote out. Start the vote out. Yes. What the? No. Do not go here. You're gonna fall. 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 That's Papa. Bachi, 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 yeah. Vote out. Vote? No. Vote? No. Vote? Vote? No. No. I'm gonna vote for this. Let's go. Vote. Vote the hell out of him. No, please, not me. Not me. Oh! Bro, you're so dumb. You're so dumb, man. Rip. Sure is rip. It's a rip. R.I.P. man. Goodbye. Rip, man. I think... Kill him! Kill the heck out of him! He dead. I told you you're so... Bro, I can't move. Investigator. There's one here who doesn't. The word figure out the story. What? What do you mean? Okay. Animals. Okay. I seal. My favorite animals. My second favorite. I mean third. Ready? No. I said no. Shippy, shippy, shappa, shappa, ruby, ruby, rapa, rapa, magic, gummy, gooey, gooey. Boom, chippy, chippy, chappa, chappa, ruby, ruby. Fish? What do you mean, seal? Seal.
What?
Crab. Crab.
Maybe. Maybe. Maybe.
Bro, I know who is the imposter this thing. Bet this one. This is the one. This is the one freaking imposter. Seal. What? Ow. What I meant by C is a lemon shark. Sheesh. Skip. Ay, hindi ako madi-skip. Vote for vote out. Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh. What's up, it's sus. No. Nah, bro. Please, not me. I'm scared. Please. What do you mean you vote for me, bro? I didn't do anything. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead, Timo. I told you, man, you're so dumb. You're dumb. Bro, I'm going out. Why can't I move? I can't move. It's like crap.